Good morning, students. Today, discuss about plus 2 zoology or biozoology studying chapter 1, unit number 1, 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark or contain subtopic 5 marks. Let us go to Syngamy. Fission of two gametes takes place completely and permanently. Gamy means gamete. Sing in fission, SONG, fission என்றால் பொருந்துதல். Two gametes haploid. For an example, male and female. அப்போ haploid plus haploid diploid. Okay, 2 mark. Next, autogamy, male and female gamete produced same cell. Auto means same. Second subtopic, exo, male and female gametes, different parent. Both unite to zygote. Zygote என்றால் கருமுட்டை. Holo, lower organism, sometime entire mature organism. Bedogamy means sexual union of young individual produced immediately. Merogamy, fission of small sized morphologically different gametes. Isogamy means fission of morphologically, physiologically identical same. Iso means same. Merogamy means different. All the best. Next session.